Orange County. It's 8:45 right now. I have 8% left, so I'm gonna go charge. Yesterday I was craving salmon and I had everything except the salmon, so I'm gonna go get some salmon, cook that for lunch, and then it's super nice out right now, so might hit the beach. I don't know, we'll see. Get some work done first and then head down to the beach. All right, I'm gonna drive now. Not gonna lie, super boring day. I didn't do much. I mean, I did stuff, but nothing worthy of filming. But yeah, it's 4:24 right now. It's 70 degrees out. That calls for some beach time. About to drive down to the beach, just hang for a bit, and then that's pretty much all I have for today. And then I'm gonna come back. I made some salmon, so I'm about to feast on that when I get back. Yeah, I'll see you there. Remember when we saw this guy at Disney last night? Same. Okay, bye.